Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the SMA sell signal indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the SMA sell signal indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 49 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 530 indicators, with 225 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the SMA sell signal indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so as the name implies, this is only going to give us sell signals. It's not going to give us any buy signals. I'm sure if we wanted to, we could adapt this to maybe giving us a buy signal as well as a sell signal, but we're going to test it the way it was originally made to be used. And so what we are looking for is when, and let me go in and do this. So the extended background right here, I'm going to turn that off. And it leaves us with this. Takes away that big blue cloud that was hovering there. And so what we're looking for is when the orange line here drops below the 0 point. And so if I do like that, you can see that when it drops below the 0 line there, that it actually turns red instead of being orange. And when that happens, that will be our signal to go short. Relatively easy. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so the first signal that we picked up was a short signal. Well, Obviously, it's a short signal because that's all we're getting on this one. And so we get our first signal right here. You can see that price action pushes down really nicely there, getting us to take profit. And then quite a ways forward here, you see that we pick up our next signal right here. Again, price action pushes down, not quite so hard. I mean, it's not quite played out completely yet, but pushes down relatively hard there and gets us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue forward, and might actually be able to finish out the year on this one without having to clip to the fast forward testing. So let's go ahead and continue forward. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here, there and there. Pretty easy to see. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 winners. So we have another 100% winner on our hands for this year of testing. Not a horrible indicator. I mean, it only gave us 3 trades within 1 year, and so that's obviously not wonderful. But 3 trades at 100% accuracy is relatively decent compared to a lot of the 100% winners that we see where they're just 1 trade in 1 year. And so it's definitely an improvement. Be interesting to see how well this holds up, maybe on a lower time frame, get in more trades than just the 3, and see how it does from there. But for now, nonetheless, it will go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.